Good morning, class. Today again I am here with some important topic of chapter 1. In our previous class we just solved out various topic, but again the next topic is number formation. Number formation. This name of the topic clearly said that in this topic we have to form numbers. So let me take one example. Suppose we are having some digits like 1, 4, 7, 8 and 9. We have to form a number using these 5 digits. But there are two conditions, that whether we have to make a greatest number or a smallest number using these digits. So first we make a greatest number using these 5 digits. Okay, so to form the greatest number using any given digit, write the digit in the descending order from the extreme left. From the extreme left, that means we have to start from left hand side, and we have to write these 5 digits in a descending order. That means first of all we have to write a greatest digit from these 5 digits. So which is the greatest digit? There is a 9. Okay, after that the second greatest digit is 8, afterwards 7, then 4, then 1. By this we clearly make a greatest digit using these 5 digits. We only have to remember that we have to write these digits in a descending order, thus greatest, then 8, then 7, then 4, then 1. So by using this we can make greatest number. The second is smallest number. Now we have to make smallest number using these 5 digits. So what we have to do to form the smallest number using any given digit, write the digit in a ascending order. That means opposite of this. We have to write these digits in ascending order. That means we have to write smallest digit first, then greater than this, then greater than this, then greater than this, and then the greatest digit. So by doing this we can make smallest number using given digits. Clear? Now our next topic is rounding of numbers. So in this topic we have to round off the numbers. How do we do this? First of all, we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10. To the nearest 10. To round off a number to the nearest 10, find the two tens. Suppose we are having one number which is 32. So in a number line we have to find two tens. Here 30 one tens, and here 40 second 10. Okay, 32 lies between 30 and 40. The middle number of between 30 and 40 is 35. Here 34, here 33, here 32, and here 31. Okay, like same as well, 36 here, 37 is here, 38 is here, 39 is here, and again 40. Okay, so we have to round up the number 32 to its nearest 10. We can see that 32 lies near to 30. So 32 is nearest to 30, it is rounded down to 30. We rounded off 32 to the 30. So answer is 30. Suppose again we are having the second number 36, and we have to round up 36 to its nearest 10. We can see that 36 is near to 40. So 36 is rounded down in a 40. Now what about this number? Suppose we have to round it off 35 to its nearest 30. So whenever we have to given a middle number, we can round it off in a 40 always. After this number. So 35 is rounded off in a 40. Clear? Now the second is round the number to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100. So to round a number to the nearest 100, find the two hundreds between which the given number lies. Suppose we have to round it off our numbers 232, 276, 250. We have to round it off these three numbers to the nearest 100. So what we do, we just take a number line and we make 200s here. 100 is this side, which is 200, and 100 is this side, which is 300. And we have to make these numbers between this. We have to write here 250, which comes between 200 and 300, and we take 10 tens difference between this number. So here is 260, 270, 280 and 290. And this side 240, 230, 220 and 210. Now we can see that 232 lies near to 200. So 232 rounded down to the 200. 276 lies near to the 300. We can see here that 276 lies here. So it is very near to the 300. So 276 is rounded off in a 300. Now what about 250? Because it's lies between middle of 200 and 300. So whenever the number lies middle of the 200s, the number is rounded down to its afterwards number, which is 300. So 250 is also rounded off in a 300. Now we study round the number to the nearest 1000. So to round a number to the nearest 1000, find the 2000 again, between which the given number lies. Then find the nearest 1000 to the number. Okay, let me take one example. Suppose we are having some numbers like 4325, 4867, 4500. Whenever we have to round these number in a nearest 1000, what we have to do to round off a number with more 4 digits, look at the number at the hundreds column. We have to look at the hundreds column. Like here hundreds column is 5, here 8, here 3. If it is 500 or more than the number is rounded to the nearest 1000. If this number is 500 or more than 500, that it is rounded to the higher 1000. If the number at the hundreds column like this is less than 500 because it is 325, then the number is rounded to the lower 1000. Now we solve it. First we make 1000 and the second 1000. The first 1000 is 4000 and the second 1000 is 5000. Clear? Now we have to put these number between 4000 and 5000. So here lies 4100, 4200, 4300, 4400, 4500, 4600 and so on. Okay. Now in 4325, the number at the 100 place, the number at the 100 place is 3, is less than 500 because 325 is less than 500. So it is rounded down to the 4000 because it lies near to the 4000. Now the second number is 4867. So here at the 100 place, the number 8 is more than 500. So it lies So it is rounded up. So it is rounded up to 5000. This 4867 is rounded off in a 5000. Now 4500, the 100th place is equal to the 500. So it is rounded up to the 5000 again. Now our next topic is Roman numerals. Roman numerals originated in ancient Rome. These numbers are originated in ancient Rome. Romans used only 7 symbols to form numbers. So what are these 7 symbols? The first symbol of Roman number is I, and that I is equal to 1 in Hindu Arabic numeral. The 5 is denoted as V and equal to 5. X is equals to 10. L is equals to 50. C is equals to 100. D is equals to 500, and M is equals to 1000. The explanation of Roman numerals I will do in second video, in the next video. Then you all learn this table during this free time. Thank you. Have a nice day.